I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you've accidentally deleted emails in Outlook 2026, don't worry, there is a straightforward way to recover them. Step 1. Open Outlook. Launch your Outlook 2026 application. Make sure you are logged into the correct email account where the emails were deleted. Step 2. Go to the Deleted Items folder. In the left sidebar, find and click on the Deleted Items folder. This is where Outlook stores emails that you've recently deleted. Step 3. Check for recoverable items. If you don't see your emails in the Deleted Items folder, look for a link that says Recover Items Recently Removed from this folder at the top. Click on it to access more options. Step 4. Select Emails to recover. In the Recoverable Items window, browse through the list of emails. Select the emails you want to recover by checking the boxes next to them. Step 5. Restore the emails. After selecting the emails, click on the Restore Selected Items button. The emails will be moved back to your Deleted Items folder or the original folder they were in. If you accidentally click Empty Folder instead of Recover Items, you might lose access to those emails permanently. Always double check your selections. I hope this helps you recover your lost emails. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask.